Hi, Ollie dwi neu Caddy Sauce, a fi yn y final y Llais. I feel incredible.
Caddy Sauce.
Did I think I was going to get this far? No, maybe, kind of. Am I happy to be here? Absolutely. It was incredible. How did I feel on the day? Absolute ball of nerves, and if anyone says that they're not, then they're an absolute liar. To have one person turn around is good. 2, amazing. 3, ooh, 4 at the same time? Down. So, let's start at the beginning, blind audition. I sang a song from Eurovision, Conchita versed, Codi fel Phoenix, Rise Like a Phoenix. I like to think it went incredibly. Then we had the recalls, much more of an intimate kind of feel. The show called Les Miserables, Bring Him Home, absolutely beautiful song. Very different, don't think I've ever seen a drag queen do Bring Him Home, I don't think I ever will again. Then, the semi-finals, Cher, absolutely wonderful, Believe. Cannot believe that I got to do that. An Armenian person, someone that I'd looked up to, someone that my boyfriend looked up to, incredible. I've looked up to Syr Bryn Terfel for so many years, seen him in Sweeney Todd years ago. I like to think we developed a bit of a bromance. He's given me so many bits of good advice, but it's mostly just enjoy yourself and believe in yourself. The Welsh is there. I've worried about it so long, but it sounds good. With Welsh, practice makes it perfect. I'm on Duolingo every day, but it's coming slowly. It's all good. Oh, good Lord. Car chases, explosions. There might be an affair or no, honestly. It's just some wonderful songs. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. There's going to be some moments of excitement. There's going to be some quieter moments. The duet. I'm excited for everything with the duet with Bryn. Oh, I cannot wait for you guys to see it, but I'm also really sad that it's going to finish. I hope you see all of that joy and effort that I'm putting in, all that passion, and I hope it comes across on the screen.